Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add menu in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Wix account. Okay, and then once you're here, you'll then just have to select the site that you want to customize. You can also create a new site. Okay, so I think I am going to use the site. So you just have to simply click on that specific site. And then once you're here, as you can see at the top right, I have this menus. Okay, so for example, you would like to add more menus, or you would like to remove some of the menus right here. Okay, so let me just delete this menu so I can show you how I added those things in this section. Okay, so assuming that we don't have menus yet, so all you have to do is to simply click on the add elements options at the top left. Okay, so let me just click on this plus icon or the add elements option at the top left of this page. Okay, so just click on this one. Then after that, you will then just have to click on the menu and search. Okay, so right here we have the horizontal menus, vertical menus, anchor menus, hamburger menus, and breadcrumbs. So of course, for this one, I'm going to select the horizontal menus. Okay, so all you have to do is to drag and drop the template that you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop it right here. And by default, I have this menus at the top. Now, if you would like to customize this one or add more menus, all you have to do is to simply click on it and then click on the manage menu option. Okay, that's right. And then as you can see right here, I have this 4 menus that we can see at the top right. Now, if you'd like to add more, just simply click on the add item option. Then you can add main pages, dynamic and app page, linked, submenu, title, or mega menu. So for this one, I'm going to add more main pages. So I'm going to click on this one and then I'm going to check more main pages so it will appear on our menu at the top right. Okay, and then after selecting the pages that you want to apply, just click on apply. Okay, so let me just edit this one so all of the menus will fit to this template or on this section. Okay, so let me just drag it right here. Then after that, if you would like to reorder your menus, all you have to do is to click on the manage menu once again, and then you'd be able to see here at the left side of your menus, you have these 4 dots. So all you have to do is to simply drag it and then just have to reorder your menus. Okay, so you can see here at the right side that the order has been changed. Okay, so now that we know how to reorder, when you click on the 3 dots right here, we can remove menu, we can rename, or we can also change linked. Okay, so for example, I would like to remove this menu, so you just have to simply click on the remove option. And then right here, if you'd like to change the name, you just have to simply click on rename and then just type out right here the new name for your menu. Now, next thing that we should do is to add sub menus to our main menus. Okay, so to do that, let me just add more pages. Okay, so I'll be using these pages as my sub menus. So just click on apply. So all you have to do, you just have to select that specific menu and then just have to drag it and move it to your right. Okay, so under a specific menu, and once you do that, the sub menus will now appear when you click on that main menu. So before we publish this one, we are going to customize our menus first. So for example, you would like to change the color, the layout, so just click on it and click on this arrow at the top right. And then right here we have the design. Okay, so we have the design, the position, and more. So let's start with the design. We have here the background fills. So if you like to change the color, so just click on this one right here and then add your color or choose your color. Okay, so I think this one is good. So you can also adjust the opacity of the color. Now for the borders, so if you would like to unlock this one, just simply click on the locked icon at the center and then you can customize this section. Now for the corners, so you just have to do the same. Just click on the locked icon so you can unlock it and start customizing it. Okay, so I think we're good here. So let's go to the background fills, and then we also have corner, shadows, and layout. Okay, so when we expand these things, we'll be able to see all of those settings. Okay, so let me just close this one now. And the next thing that we should do is the layout. So just click on this icon right here. So for the menu, we have the wrapped and scroll. So here for the spacing between items, we can adjust this to more pixels, and for the items, fill the whole menu. So we have here the text alignment. You also have here the menu item direction, so you can change to left to right or right to left. And for the item padding, we have here the other settings as well. So when you go to sub menu, so you can select here if how the sub menus open. So we have fly out or columns. So I think I'll be using fly out. So we have here sub menu alignment, text alignment, the horizontal padding, the vertical padding, and the spacing between items. So if you have mega menu, so you can go here and adjust these settings as well. So now that we are done with the layout, let us try to see this edits to the tablet view. So I think this one is good, but when we go to the mobile view, as you can see, we cannot see here all of our menus. So what we can do is to change this to hamburger menu. So how we can do that? Just simply click on it and then go here on the layer section and then click on the horizontal menu and then make sure to hide it. Okay, so just click on the three dots and click on hide. And as you can see right here, the only visible now is the hamburger menu. So let me just preview this one so I can show you. So when someone using a mobile phone, so when you go here and click on these three horizontal lines, you'll be able to see here now our menus. Okay, so you have to make sure that you also edit your menus using the mobile view so you can adjust it. Okay, so let me just go back right here, and when someone click on the specific menu, they'd be redirected to that specific page. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.